ready to bridge the gap between vector animation and raster perfection. Let's dive into how you can bring your Adobe Animate files into Photoshop. First, in Adobe Animate, open the project you want to import. We've got this bouncing ball animation ready to go. Navigate to File, then Export, and select Export Movie. In the Export Movie dialog box, the key is the format. Click the Save as Type dropdown. Choose Photoshop Image Sequence PSD. This will export each frame of your animation as a separate PSD file. Customize your settings. Resolution is crucial. Match it to your Photoshop project. You can also adjust the color depth and other layer options here. Click OK when satisfied. Now, jump into Adobe Photoshop. Go to File and then Open. Locate the folder where you saved your PSD sequence. Select the first PSD file in the sequence. Make sure the image sequence checkbox is selected before you click Open. This tells Photoshop to treat the files as a single animation. Photoshop will now import your Animate animation as a video layer on the timeline. Now you can use all of Photoshop's tools, filters, adjustments, layers to refine your animation and create unique effects. Congratulations! You've successfully brought your Animate creation into the powerful realm of Photoshop. Explore, experiment, and elevate your artwork.